What's up guys, this is Cameron and we're at Relentless Shine again. You'll never guess, for more clear bra. All right, 22 Escalade, and we're gonna do not just the full front like we normally do, we're going a little bit further on this tank. So we're gonna go all the way down the sides, doors, rocker panels, and rear quarter panels. We are not gonna be doing the hatch, the roof, or the rear bumper per the customer's request, which I kind of totally understand. If it was my own car, I would do it, but it makes sense. So we're getting some patterns ready. We've already got some of the film on, like the hood is on. Gonna get our slip solution mixed up and roll right through this thing. On the other side of the shop, we've got a GT350. This will be full front and clear bra, and then we're also gonna do ceramic coating on the rest of it. And then in the back, we've got some badge removal going on, a BMW 7 Series, and then I think some paint correction and maybe ceramic coating on that as well. So stay tuned, we're gonna jump right into it. All right, so check this out. These patterns are designed to wrap where we can responsibly. So some cars, there's enough meat around the corner here in the door jamb where we can wrap that edge. So if it's applicable, we'll always do that. Some cars don't. It's either too sharp of an edge or not enough smooth material back there for it to stick. So those cars won't get it wrapped. But where we can, we do. So we'll be rinsing that gel out like I mentioned, all the way around this piece, and then wrapping the edges. Starting most difficult parts there with those points. Might need to dry for a minute first, but. All right guys, that's a wrap. We're gonna continue this process piece by piece until we're finished. So for now, this is kind of a good demo of a fairly easy fender, but you get to see the wrapped edges and a little bit of the install. So like I said, we'll just repeat that one panel at a time until we're finished doing almost the entire vehicle. We are gonna ceramic coat the rest of the surfaces that don't get clear bra and over top of the clear bra. So for now, we will leave you. We got a lot of work to get done on this thing. And thanks Josh for being our YouTube guy and not rushing me today. So we're kind of ending on my own terms. Subscribe? No.
Put that in.
We're gonna go clip.
Subscribe? No.
As always, please, if you enjoy the videos, subscribe, hit the alert button so you see the new videos drop, and support the channel. We really appreciate it. If you're local to San Antonio, you're always welcome to visit and come check this stuff out in person. We appreciate it. Thank you.